Namaste and good morning all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. In this session, I will clarify the answers of second chapter, that is nutrition in animals. Okay, nutrition in animals. Before starting this session, please be ready with your readers, as I informed you before. Okay, without wasting my time, I will move to the questions. Okay, first question we have, and Akshay, Annapurna, hi, yes, good morning to all my dear children. Okay, first question we have, that is the main steps of nutrition in women's are. That is the main steps of nutrition in women are. What are the steps we have studied in the digestion of human being? Isn't it? First step is, you have to answer, otherwise I will not move. Okay? Yeah. The first step is, and try to give the answers, whether that may be correct or wrong. Please try. Sharat Kumar, carbohydrate. See, what are the steps to digest the food in human being? ಇಲ್ಲಿ diagram ಇಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ sir ನಾನು. Isn't it? 5 steps are there. You can say that is first 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. What are those 5 steps? Let's see who will give the answers. Sharat Kumar, carbohydrate, strong. It's the food item which we have digested. Don't say hi. It is only hi only. Okay? Please try to give the answers. Very good. Akshay Power. First step is ingestion. Very good. First step, we will intake the food. Very good, Akshay Kumar. First food is, first we will ingestion. Alright? Ingestion of the food. First step is ingestion. After ingestion, next step we have, that is digestion. Very good, Akshay Kumar. Only Akshay is giving the answer. Digestion. Very good. And third step we have, I know it takes more time to type it, but try it. Third step we have, yes, Manjula Kattamani. First step is ingestion. Very good. And second step is digestion. Okay? The ingestion of food with the help of mouth we will take. Very good. Subhashini. Third is assimilation. Very good. Third is assimilation. Isn't it? First is ingestion, second is digestion. Third one is assimilation. Akshay Kumar, last step is the digestion. Isn't it? Before that, assimilation will come. Okay, what is the third step? So that digestion is in stomach. Okay, and one more step is there. What is that? After that, with the help of villi, small finger-like structures, they are present in the small intestine. Very good, Subhashini. Absorption. Very good. Third step we have, that is absorption. Absorption. Okay. Third step we have, that is absorption. Very good, Subhashini. And fourth step we have, that is simple, with the help of assimilation. That is finger-like structures called as villi. That is assimilation. And last step we have, that is simple. Akshay Kumar, that is digestion. Akshay Power, that is digestion. Okay? We have seen the 5 steps. Okay? Ingestion of the food. And the first step, we are right, excretion. We can tell it as a excrete. Okay? First step we have, that is ingestion. Taking food. And second one, digest in the stomach. Okay? Digest stomach. It starts digestion in stomach. And absorption with the help of villi, small finger-like structures in the, that is small intestine. Okay, the food is absorbed. And fourth step we have assimilation. That means protein is converted to something and carbohydrate is converted to sugar, like that. Amylase, like that. Fourth step is completed. And digestion, undigested food is thrown out of the body. This is about the first question. And second question we have the largest gland in human body. The largest gland in human body. Let's see who will give the answer. Manoj Hiremat, small intestine. Whether small intestine is the largest gland? Very good. Sharat Kumar, liver. Mohammad Sofillah, liver. Very good. Annupurna Patil, that is liver. Very good. Liver is the largest gland, isn't it? And largest organ is skin. Okay, at that time I have told you. Okay, then here that is the largest gland in human body, that is liver. Very good. Manjula Kattimani. Liver is the largest gland. And third question we have, that is, see here. The stomach releases HCl. I think ಇಲ್ಲಿ handwriting neat ಇರಲ್ಲ, you can see in your readers. Okay, don't worry. The stomach releases HCl, isn't it? We know that. For HCl is useful for to kill the bacteria, isn't it? Yeah. The stomach releases HCl and dash. I don't know what it is. Okay. Then dash juices which act on food. Which juices they act on the food? General is there? Yes, bile juice, gastric juice. Okay, very good. We can tell it as a directly, that is digestive juices. This that is gastric as well as bile juice. These are used as a digestive juices. That's why I will write it here directly, that is digestive juices. Very good. Many of them are giving the correct answer, and I will appreciate them. Thank you. Sharada Sahukar, bile juice. Yes, this bile juice, gastric juice, etc., etc. Okay, those are called as digestive juices. Okay, they are helpful for the digestion of food. Okay, fourth one we have. That is the inner wall of the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called as, very good, Subhashini Patil, very good, villi. Okay, villi, also we can call it as a villi. They are the finger-like structures. Very good, very good. Villi is the answer. That is the finger-like structures on the wall of the small intestine. That is called as villi. Don't worry, I will send you the PDF to the WhatsApp group. Okay, sir, don't worry. Just I am checking how much you have been understood the lesson. Okay, and fifth one we have amoeba digests its food in the. Amoeba digests its food in the. Elli digest ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತದೆ food. So a particular word is there. Let's see who will give the answer. Very good. Akshay Power, Mohammad Sofilal and Sharat Kumar, Manoj Hiremat. Very good, very good. Food vacuum. Very good. That is food vacuum. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuum. Okay, we can write it as a vacuole also. Food vacuum. Okay, this is about the first session we have, that is fill in the blanks. And second session we have true or false. Let's see. Very good. Sharada Sahukar, food vacuoles. Correct answer. And spelling mistakes are there. Leave it. Yes, Manjula Kattimani. Very good. Food vacuoles. And next session or our next part, we have second part, that is true or false. Okay, let's see. That is, first A is digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Okay, we have food components, that is starch. Starch is nothing but a, can you give me the related word to starch? Indu Natekar, false. Directly she told the answer. Very good, it's okay. Starch na innondu idralli karibodu. What is that? Can you tell me? another name for starch, a familiar name, which I explained in. Yes, many of them are giving correct answers. Okay, directly they are giving. Yes, okay, it's okay. Digestion of starch. Starch is nothing but a carbohydrate. Very good. Sharda Saukar. That is, starch is nothing but a carbohydrates. Whether the carbohydrates will start the digestion in stomach? No, sir. The carbohydrate starts digestion in buccal cavity. What is mean by that buccal cavity? That is the mouth only. Isn't it? Mouth olage carbohydrate will start the digestion. Isn't it? Yes. That's why in the stomach olage ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? Sir, HCl ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then protein is digested. Okay? But starch or a carbohydrate is digested in only in a buccal cavity. That's why first one is false. Okay, first one is false. Very good. Vaiju Patil, false. Very good. Then second one, B1 we have, that is, yes, Indunadikar from both. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. See, tongue is also one organ. Tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Food that helps to mix with the food. Okay, saliva mix agಲಿಕ್ಕೆ start ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ with the help of what? Tongue. Okay. Yes, Raghavendra Adivar, true, very good. Annapurna, true, very good. Bharat Kumar, Bharat Raichur, I think first answer ಹೇಳಿರಬಹುದು ಅವ. Okay, Vani Kulkarni, very good, very good. Kalavati Nauni, absorption, still you are here. Okay, don't worry. Yes, second one we have, that is the tongue helps to mixing with the food with the help of saliva. Isn't it? Yes, sir. Saliva antandre we will feel. This is the saliva in a liquid type consider, that is the saliva. Okay, with the help of tongue, the food is mixed with saliva. That's why this is the right. Yes. Vani Kulkarni, it's Sarniro. It's all. Third one we have, the gallbladder temporarily stores the bile. Okay. The gallbladder temporarily stores the bile. We know that this bile will help to digest the fats, isn't it? In the small intestine. Small intestine olaga bartadri. That is, yes, true answer. Yes, okay. The gallbladder temporarily stores in the bile. Temporarily stores the bile. Whether it is correct answer? Yes, sir. This is right or true. We can say that is true. Afterwards, this enters into the small intestine. Afterwards, it digests the fats. Okay. And fourth one or deep one we have. See here. The ruminants. What is meant by ruminants? Ruminants are nothing but yes, very good. Many of them are very active, very active. Yes. The what is meant by ruminants? Can you give me the answer? Ruminants. The particular word here mentioned, that is ruminants. Very good. Sharda Saukar, grass eating animals are called as ruminants. Very good, but see here, the ruminants bring back solid grass into their mouth. Okay, first tintavantri, again they bring back. Okay, so solid food and chew for some time. Tintavantri matte vapas digestion agirtadre, again they bring back to the mouth. Yes, okay, they bring back to the mouth and again they will chew there for some time. Whether it is true? Yes, Sharad Kumar, true. Annapurna, very good. Annapurna Patil, grass eating animals, very good. Vani Kulkarni, Nirup, that is, yeah, grass eating, very good, very good. That is ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಆಕಳುಗಳು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಫುಡ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂತಲ್ರಿ, ದೇ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದೇ ಫುಡ್. Okay, solid food na again they bring back, again they will chew for some time. That's why this is the true. Okay, then and that thanks for being live. Okay, and many of them are trying to give their correct answer, and I will appreciate them. And next one we have, yes, directly I will read this. Third one, fat is completely digested in the, okay, see here, fat is completely digested in the. Option A we have stomach, option B we have mouth, option C we have small intestine, and option D we have large intestine. Yes, small intestine, very good. That is, the fat is completely digested in the small intestine. First option we have stomach. Sir, stomach only protein is digested, isn't it? Digestive parts digest, it will not completely digested, isn't it? Yes. Then second one we have mouth. In the mouth or a buccal cavity, the carbohydrate is digested. Yes. The third one we have, that is small intestine. And small intestine, with the help of bile juice, isn't it? The fat is completely digested. The fat is completely digested. Then fourth one we have large intestine, that is, sir, undigested food is in the large intestine. That's the correct answer is C, that is small intestine. Very good. Many of them are given the answer. Yes, Manjula Kattemani. Yes, Vani Kulkarni, Kalavati Namni, food vacuum. Still you are, yes, okay. Indu Natekar, large intestine is the correct answer. See, in the large intestine, only the undigested food is there. But all the food completely digested in the small intestine only. Okay? Yes, it should. Then next one we have, in third only, B one or a fourth. See here, what is the question? Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the, see here, I will write that question. Water from the undigested, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರುವಂತ ಸರ್ ಯಾರ ಬಳಿ ರೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, they can take a use of this one. Undigested food is absorbed mainly in the, yes sir. See here, what's the question here? Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the, yes, directly they are given. Very good. Yes sir, Akshay Kumar and Bharat, large intestine. Very good. See here, first option we have, that is stomach. Whether the water is absorbed in the stomach? No sir. Then second one we have food pipe. Sir, food pipe is different and water pipe is different. And second option is also not answer. Then third one we have small intestine. In the small intestine, the total food is digested. But in the fourth option we have large intestine. Here large intestine absorbs the food from digested food. Okay, in the large intestine it absorbs the water from digested food. That's why answer is large intestine. Okay, and next question we have, yes, that is match the following. Let's see, and it will take some more time, and be patient. And try to give the correct answers. And column A we have A, this is the B, we have, that is food components. And second one we have carbohydrate, and third one protein, and fats. And fats. And here part B we have A, that is product of digestion. Product of digestion. And B1 we have fatty acids. Fatty acids. And C1 we have sugar. And D1 we have amino acid. See here, amino acids. Okay, so handwriting need adjust because you have readers with you. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, we have to match column A to the column B. First one we have food components. Food components are, we don't know. Food components are carbohydrate, we can tell that nutrients also. Small intestine, nanopona patala, amino acid. Let's see. Okay. See here. Sir, food components gottagavoltri sir namga. We know carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Because we know the simpler forms of carbohydrate, proteins, fats. First see with carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is digested into their simpler forms. To form, yes sir, simple. It is the carbohydrate forms the sugar. Easy nimge yavudu easy agtada mari. Okay. That is carbohydrate is digested into the simpler forms, that is called as sugar. Carbohydrate is sugar convert agtadi. Then second one we know that is protein. Protein is converted into sir. Idunu gottagavoltri bitu. See here, fats is there. Here fats. That name is related to here the fatty acids. Easy method. This is the easy method. See here. Here the acid fats is there. Fats are there. And in the B section we have fatty acids. And these both the names are related to each other. Then combine these both, remaining 2. See here. Now the protein is digested into their simpler forms to form amino acids. We know and we have explained it in the previous videos. Okay. And sir 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 combined that. And don't worry, remaining is here. Okay. Yes, sir, we know that is carbohydrate is digested into or converted into simpler form sugar, and fatty acids converted to fatty acids, and proteins are converted to amino acids, and as well as food components are product of digestion. There are the products or a product or products of the products of digestion. Let's see. Yes, proteins, amino acids, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3. Directly you have sent in. Yes, okay, it's okay. Okay, yeah. Let's move to the next question we have. Yeah. Okay, next question we have, that is 5th one. Again, just now question no by answer no. Let's see who will give the answers. Okay, what are villi? And 5th question we have, that is what are villi? What are villi? Yes, how they are? Tell me that. Yes, Manoj Hiremat. Villi is finger-like structures, the small intestine, and it is located at the small intestine. Very good answers. Bulaya, yes, villi, spelling mistake, it's okay. Finger-like structures. Yes, villi are the finger-like structures. Simple thing. Okay, then continue question we have. What is their location? Where they are present? Sir, on the small intestine, isn't it? Villi are the finger-like structures and they are present on the small intestine. And next, continue question. And what is the function of villi? What is the function of villi? Can you tell me what is the function of villi? Yes, very good. That absorbs the water. No. Is present in Yeah, Sharada Saukar, Raghavendra, Subhashini, small intestine. Yes, correct answers. And what is the function of villi? Can you tell me? What is the function of villi? A finger-like structures present on the small intestine. What is the function of their villi? And what is the function of villi? Yes, try to do. You take the protein, vitamin, and send it to the bowel. Very good. That is simply we can tell that absorption. Subhashini and Annapurna Patil. Very good. That is the protein, vitamin sent to the body. That means absorption of food. Very good. Vani Kulkarni, that is absorption of food. Very good. Very good answers. That is what is the function of villi? That is absorption of food. Very good. Very good. Villi is the absorption of food. Very good. Sharada Saukar. Correct answers. And move to the next question we have, that is, yes, where is the bile produced? Where is the bile produced? Okay, we know that the bile is a juice, a type of juice which is helpful for the digestion of food, isn't it? Yes. Where it is produced? Bile juice is produced. Very good. That is Annapurna Patil in the Shiva. Yes, liver. Very good. Indu Natakar. Bile is produced in the liver. Yes, very good. Bile is produced in the liver. Very good answer. Rangaswamy, Raghavendra. Very good, very good. Sorry. Raghavendra, fat. Directly answer. Don't worry. That is, where is the bile produced? Yes, bile is produced in the liver. Then continue question we have. Which component of food does it helps to digest? Isn't it? ಯಾವ food component ಅನ್ನು digest ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ this bile juice is helpful? Whether a bile juice will digest a carbohydrate? No, sir. Salivary gland ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ, ಆ salivary gland ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, salivary amylase. Okay, a HCl that digests the protein. Yes, very good. Raghavendra, that is fats. Okay, this bile juice will helpful for digestion of fats. Okay, are you getting my point? If any doubts, ask me in the comment section or here also in the live chat also. Okay, then see, and next question we have, name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Yes, see, name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by only ruminants, not by human. Okay, that is, sir, ruminants will eat the grass, but human beings will not eat and not digest that grass. And that grass contains what type of carbohydrate? Very good. That is Raghavendra. That is cellulose. Very good. That is a carbohydrate. It is a millions of several numbers of carbohydrates or glucose components are connected here. That is cellulose. Sharad Kumar, grass, Sharada Saukar. Yes, that we have to mention the food component here. I have to mention that food component. Okay, that is cellulose. Cellulose is the correct answer. And what is the reason? And what is the reason? Why can't we digest that grass or cellulose? Why can't we able to digest that one? ಯಾಕೆ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್? Yes, because our stomach is not suitable for that. It's okay. Ants, can anyone? It's correct, but a little bit a word. I want a little bit word, related word. We not have cellulose. See. That grass contains the cellulose. We are not having enzyme to digest the cellulose. Okay, see here. We are not having the particular enzyme to digest the cellulose. Okay, that particular enzyme is present in only ruminants. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Grass contains the cellulose, but a particular enzyme which digests the cellulose we don't have in our body. Okay, our stomach is not able to, yeah, it's okay, because a particular enzyme is not present in our body. That's why we can't digest that cellulose. Okay, move to the next question. It's okay. See, eighth one we have, that is, why do we get instant energy from glucose? Yes, we know that the carbohydrates or glucose is the energy giving food. Jaldi andre instantly means very quickly. How we will get instant energy from glucose? Yes, can anyone see here? That is, sir, we know that the carbohydrate is digested in the buccal cavity, isn't it? Mouth like a digest active carbohydrate, isn't it? Carbohydrate is converted into sugar. Sugar is nothing but a glucose. Okay, that glucose is first or easily absorbed by the blood. That glucose or a sugar, what we will tell, and that is easily absorbed by the blood, and at that time we will get instant energy from glucose. Are you getting my point? First only digested carbohydrate, little bit digested in the buccal cavity, isn't it? And at that time the sugar is converted into glucose, or carbohydrate is converted into the glucose, and that glucose is easily absorbed by the blood. Through blood we can get the instant energy from carbohydrate. Okay, two vitamins, that's not important. Okay, see, this is the answer. The next one we have, ninth one. See here, these are the, see, which part of the digestive canal is involved in? Okay, what is this question? That is, which part of digestive canal or a digestive part we can say that is involved in? First question we have, that is ninth one of A, that is absorption of food. Absorption of food. See, which part is used to absorb the food? Yes, very good. Small intestine. Yes, that is, which part of the digestive system in a human being, which part of the human being system or a human digestive system to absorption of food? It will helpful for the absorption of food. Okay, absorption of food with the help of villi activity. Villi are present on the small intestine. That's why the answer is intestine, not intestine. That is small intestine. That is small intestine. Bharat, Annapurna, Indu Natakar. Very good. Panikudkan, Villi, Manoj, Raghavendra. Very good. Correct answers. That is, the absorption of food is with the help of small intestine. Okay, and B one we have chewing of food. See here, chewing of food. See, sir, chewing of food with the help of teeth, isn't it? Teeth. The teeth are present in the buccal cavity. Also, we can tell that mouth antanu helpful, isn't it? And the correct answer is mouth, or we can tell that buccal cavity, isn't it? Buccal cavity contains tongue, salivary amylase, teeth, isn't it? That's why we can tell that chewing of food is takes place in the mouth, also buccal cavity. And third one we have, yes, third one we have killing of bacteria. See, killing of bacteria. Killing of bacteria. We know that bacteria are killed with the help of acid. Which acid? HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid is released in the which part? Very good, Annapurna Patil. That is stomach. Very good answer. Very quick answer. That is, killing of bacteria is in stomach. Okay, with the help of HCl. Yes, that is the HCl. That is secreted by the, not HCF, one equal country, that is HCl. Okay, Kalavati Navani, yes, you are, yes, very good. That is killing of bacteria takes place in the stomach. And D1 we have, that is complete digestion of food. The complete digestion of food. The complete digestion of food. So complete digestion of food takes place in the Akshay Power. Very good. That is small intestine. Sharat Kumar, small intestine. Annapurna Patil. Very good. The complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. Very good. That is and next one we have formation of feces. And next one we have, see here. Formation of, that is formation of feces. What is meant by feces? What is meant by feces? Yes, that is large intestine is the correct answer. But formation of feces, what is meant by feces? Yes, feces is nothing but feces. What is meant by feces? Send your numbers afterwards. I will send you. What is meant by feces? Feces is nothing but a undigested food or a waste matter. Okay, feces is nothing but a waste matter or a undigested food. See here, what is the question? Formation of feces. That is in the, yes, very good. That is color waste passes. Yes, the formation of feces takes place in the, simple, that is in the large intestine. That is in the large intestine. Okay, I have taken 37 minutes. So by this I will conclude my today's session. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣ with more questions. Okay, and thank you for being. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. If any doubts, ask me in the comment box or in the chat also. Okay, up to that, bye. Afterwards I will send you a WhatsApp number. Okay. See.